Steam rose in the industrial age and grew up into the power behind the revolution. With growing acceptance on both sides of the Atlantic, and in as many clever configurations as engineers could devise, steam engines began to turn dreams into realities. Steam engines turned the looms of the cotton belt and wove the fabric of a nation. The steam engine cut and shaped the wood, drove the pistons and pulled the levers. The steam engine churned the butter and ground the corn and turned the small family business into an international concern. With steam, the groundwork was laid and the sleeves of an industrial giant were rolled up to stay. The power of the steam engine was energy and movement and change. It became a symbol of opportunity, whether that meant an escape from the potato famine, from the wages of slavery, or from the Russian Tsar. The steam engine saved time and labor, and indeed, for all its upheaval and inequity, the steam engine offered the promise of a steady wage. Every quota was to bring more of everything, everything faster and better and easier and cheaper by the dozen. Out as far as men could lay track, wherever one looked, it looked as if the nation's most important product was progress. And yet, as far as the steam engine carried the body and soul, it carried man's intellect even further. Full soon, Lord Byron wrote, steam engines will conduct him to the moon. The insight of the poet Byron was on the right track, but the steam engine goes above and beyond the moon. As an idea, it goes so far as to raise questions about the very meaning of time and about the ultimate fate of the universe itself.